Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Kenneth Kabungkal, representing the Philippines in the Man of the World Pageant 2024, has already made a striking impression with his performances in the swimwear and national costume segments. His participation is eagerly anticipated as he embodies the ideals of the competition: confidence, cultural pride, and dedication to meaningful advocacy. Swimwear segment. Kenneth's performance in the swimwear segment showcased his exceptional physique and confidence. His well-toned body, sculpted through rigorous training and discipline, highlighted his commitment to fitness and health. Kenneth's voice and presence on stage were remarkable, reflecting not only his physical strength but also his self-assuredness and charisma. The swimwear segment was a testament to his hard work and preparation, setting a high standard for the competition. And for the national costume, Golden Harvest, Kent's national costume titled Golden Harvest is a stunning tribute to the Philippines' rich agricultural heritage. The costume features a golden carabao headpiece, symbolizing the hard work spirit and resilience of Filipino farmers. The carabao, a significant figure of Philippine agriculture, represent the labor and dedication essential to the country's farming industry. The rattan backdress, shaped like a human figure, symbolizes the nation's backbone. The hardworking men and women who toil in the fields. This element of a costume highlights of the importance of labor and the collective effort that sustains the country's agricultural sector. The golden cape, intricately designed, illustrates the journey of families' harvest, from planting to reaping the rewards of their hard work. And the gold outfit is adorned with intricate bead and rhinestone details, depicting scene of farming and daily life in the countryside. These details celebrate the Philippines' agricultural legacy, honoring the traditions and contributions of Filipino farmers. Kent's costume is not only visually captivating, but also rich in symbolism, reflecting a deep connection between the Filipino people and their land. The finals night, set to take place on July 26, 2024 at the Samsung Performing Arts Theater in Makati City, promises to be a grand event, and Kenneth Kabungkal is poised to be a strong contender with his impressive performances and meaningful advocacies. His participation in the Man of the World pageant highlights his commitment to promoting Filipino culture and values on the international stage. As the competition draws near, Kent's journey continues to inspire and captivate audiences, making him a favorite to watch.
Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pagkomento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!